Hello. So we are at Hallmark store. Oh look, they still have these.
This is amazing. I love this.
Oh look, they have these little dumplings. Oh, they're squishy. Oh, this is where I got the sloth. See, they've got little different animals. Got a bear. These are called wiglets. I like these. These bounce. Let me see. This is so cute. Palm pals. You're so adorable. These are like squishy food. Okay, so we are done, and the kids each got a Neato because they actually had Neatos today. And then we also got squishy dumpling,
Yes, I got a
a Pomeranian, a corgi, sugar swaps, but I'm just gonna take the gold one, and the kids are gonna get one of these, a pink one or a purple one each. They
You
got
have to look at it. Look.
this thing. Oh my gosh, I'm trying out this Neato. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And then this is the
Take it out.
little kitty that I'm keeping for myself.
It's so cute.